नमस्कार सभी को। वेलकम टू ऑल वंस अगेन। आई एम हियर with class 4 environmental studies NCERT book, and today we are going to study chapter number 4, the story of Amruta. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So once again, are you ready to study with me? So children, so let us start the story of Amruta. Target learning outcome. So means after the completion of this lesson, means what target should be achieved, means how much you understood or how much target you learn. We have set some targets, that is target learning outcome. Number 1, seeing relationship of self with the environment, means how the environment is related with us or a simply human being, is the relationship between self and environment, means how environment is related with human being or with us, how is our relationship. Second, knowing the trees in the landform of desert, means which trees are growing in the landform of desert. But especially in this lesson we are going to discuss about the khejdi tree, that is this popularly located in the Jodhpur region. To know more about khejdi tree, then locating the state of Rajasthan in the map of India, means where the Rajasthan is located, you are going to locate it in the map of India. And one more important thing that is very much important for all of us, that is the importance of trees in our life, means the how the trees are important for all of us. This thing I think all of you are knowing, but in this lesson it should be one of our target you must know. If all these things are clear, means you understood this lesson. So children, go through it carefully and understood each and every point. Now see, this is the current updated map of our India. Okay, and in this lesson or this story is belong to the state of Rajasthan. You all are knowing this is the biggest state of India in area. Okay, and the story belongs to the Rajasthan. Okay, and in Rajasthan, that is Jodhpur district. Now here are the number of districts, different districts of the Rajasthan, that is the district map of Rajasthan. And this is the map of Jodhpur district. And where this story occurred, that is the Khejadila. It is also known as Khejadila village, or that is Khejdi village. Now how this name come here? Because of lot number of khejdi trees are found here, and that's why this village is known as Khejdi village. This is the story. In this story, that Amruta is there. Okay, and one of the king who ordered the people to they want the wood for building up a palace, and that woodcutter goes to cut the trees of that Khejdi village. And at that time Amruta opposed them to don't cut these trees, because these trees are our or we are worshipping this tree, and these trees are very much important for all of us. But then also they didn't listen to the Amruta, and then also Amruta and some of the people along with them, they hugged to that tree, and then also woodcutter start cutting. And at last what happened, near about 300 people, they sacrifices their life. And when the king came to that place and saw that the people sacrifices their lives for the tree, and at that time king understood he made mistake, and he then ordered so never cut the trees for any purposes. So okay, this is the shortly I explained this story. Okay, Now see, this is the KGD village. The people, or these are the houses, as well as these are some animals. So animals as well as birds freely roaming there and enjoying their life. Now KGD tree is commonly found in desert. Especially it is found in the desert area only. Now see the KGD tree. This is the picture of the KGD tree. These are the leaves of KGD tree. Once again I am showing leaves of KGD tree. Now some of the features of the KGD tree we are going to see. Now its beans are eaten by the Bishnois. The children, the Bishnoi is the name of a community. एक जाति का या समाज का नाम है. और Bishnoi group of people, those are belongs to the community that is the Bishnoi, and they are just worshipping the trees as well as the animal. They are taking lot care of animal as well as the trees. Those trees are found there. They worship them also. They love and care for a plant as well as animals, and it is used as a medicinal plant. One more important feature is that the KGD tree is used as a medicinal plant. मेडिसिन के तौर पे भी इसका क्या किया जाता है, यूज किया जाता है. Then small animals stand for shade and to eat leaves. We all are knowing that the trees are very much important. Tree provide us shelter. So here also the animals taking the help of the tree as a shade or for the shelter purpose. And it needs not much water for the growth. Means this tree is not, there is no need of the lot much of water. ठीक है, इसकी ग्रोथ होने के लिए भी पानी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती नहीं है. एंड वी आर ऑल दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ फाउंड इन द डेजर्ट area, and its wood is not affected by any kind of insect. Means any kind of insect is not going to affect this wood of this tree. Now as I told shortly that story, the people came to cut the trees, and then Amrita hugged to the trees. Along with that, there were 300 people. They hugged the trees, but then also that woodcutter cut the trees, and near about 300 people they sacrificed their life. Like here I am just showing these pictures that the trees are in danger. This Amrita and the woodcutters like that, and Amrita sacrificed her life to save the trees. See, then when king understood that, he made the mistake. He ordered to the people, so don't cut the trees, because most of the people they sacrifices their life for saving the trees, and king understood his mistake. Now like that I just relate to this. In northern part of our India, that is Uttarakhand, that place also the one of the movement happen, or आंदोलन, चिपको आंदोलन जिसे कहते हैं, और चिपको movement. The Chipko Andolan or Chipko movement is the movement that practice method of Satyagraha, and in this movement both male and female activists from Uttarakhand played vital roles. Sundarlal Bahuguna, a noted environmentalist who initiated the Chipko movement, and the main purpose of this movement is to protect the plants, trees of the forest. जैसे कि यहाँ पर अमृता के स्टोरी में हुआ, अमृता ने जैसे अपने प्राण त्याग दिए पेड़ों को बचाने के लिए. So same thing happened in the northern part of our India, in the Uttarakhand, and same kind of movement happened there. उसे कहते हैं चिपको आंदोलन. ठीक है, and it was initiated by सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा, और मेन पर्पस क्या था उनका उस मोमेंट का भी, टू सेव द फॉरेस्ट और ट्रीज. ठीक है, means you are all understood, or you are getting, means why the people they sacrifices their lives to save the trees only. Now the importance of trees, we all are knowing the importances of trees. Number one, that is we start from this, the cools our houses. Because of the trees only our houses making the cool air. it provides us medicine. Lot of medicines are we are getting like us in our surrounding. Also the medicinal plants are just like tulsi, neem, these all are medicinal plant. It provide us fruit, it provide us fruit. Then remove carbon dioxide, means whatever the carbon dioxide is in the nature, it is removed by the trees only, because the trees gives us oxygen and take us carbon dioxide, and that oxygen is helpful for the living being. ठीक है. Then reduce erosion, में जो सॉइल इरोजन होता है और जमीन का कटाव, धरती का कटाव, वो रोका जाता है प्लांट की वजह से. ठीक है, वजह से. Then prevents flooding, means whenever if a flood is there, because of that trees roots catches the water. ठीक है, and it help us to prevent flooding. Then add oxygen, means it increases the oxygen level in the nature. So these are the importances of the trees. ठीक है. So that's why our motto is, or our slogan is, save trees, save life. Our motto or our slogan is save trees, save life. And plant a tree for every occasion, means whenever there is any kind of occasion, any marriage occasion or procession, or the birthday procession, or say birthday celebration, at that time also if you decide to plant one tree, means you can save the nature, you can save the trees, and as well as you can save our environment. And if the environment is going to be saved, our earth is going to be saved, and your life is going to be saved. ठीक है. So this is our motto. And children, you can also decide, means whenever your birthday, at that time also you can do, or you can follow this kind of activity in your daily life. So save trees to save yourself. And so children, I think you all understood. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.